So if you're wondering if, do I have this? Maybe you haven't been to the doctor yet. Maybe you're concerned about the appearance of your skin. Here's a few things you may look out for. So the dry, itchy skin, that can, again, be caused by illness, irritants, allergens, or stress. We do see that it's more common in babies and young children than some other conditions like psoriasis, for example. Having red, dry, cracked skin also presents usually on the face, the scalp. I oftentimes will see it here kind of at the base or the nape of the neck in the hairline, also on the front of the neck, and then the wrists and the ankles as well. Some triggers can be external, again, like pets or dander, and some can be internal, where we think that it's more immune system related. And the treatments can be either oral or topical creams.